Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shopify AI tools for store scaling. The AI tools in Shopify are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. They help you save time, increase sales, and scale your store without burning out. When used correctly, these tools support product creation, marketing, customer support, and daily operation. We can now start with the Shopify's built-in AI assistant for product content. Let's go to the search bar on the main dashboard and type in AI assistant. A chat box will appear named Sidekick. From here, you can generate product titles, descriptions, and short summaries using AI. This helps you launch products faster while keeping your listings clear, consistent, and optimized for conversions. Next, go to Shopify's Analytics and review the AI-powered insights. These insights show customer behavior patterns, like which products sell together or where customers drop off. So instead of guessing, you can use this data to make smarter decisions for your store. Shopify AI can also help handle customer support. AI tools can automatically answer common questions about orders, shippings, and return. This improves the response times and keeps customers satisfied, especially during busy sales period. Now let's go to the marketing tab, and from here, Shopify AI can help with email subject lines, ad copy, and product recommendation. You can personalize messages based on customer behavior and purchase history. Personalization increases open rates, clicks, and overall conversion as your store grows. Inventory management is another area where AI is very useful. Shopify can predict demand trends and alert you when stock is running low. This helps prevent loss of sales and reduces problems with overstocking. So as your store scales, fraud risk also increase. Shopify AI can detect unusual order patterns and flag risky transactions earlier. Now if we go to the automations, automation becomes essential when scaling. AI-driven workflows can handle order updates, follow-ups, and customer segmentation automatically. This frees up your time so you can focus more on strategy and growth. Finally, always review AI suggestions before applying them. AI works best when combined with human judgment and clear business goals. Use AI as a support tool, not a replacement for decision making. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.